Clickworker is a platform offering microtasks like data entry, surveys, transcription, and AI training, where users from around the world can complete small assignments to earn money. On Trustpilot, Clickworker's reviews are mixed. Some users say it's a legit way to make extra income with real payments. Others complain about low pay, tasks being rejected, or long wait times for payout. On Reddit, user experiences echo both sides. One user wrote that they earn around €100 but noted the workflow gets very dry with fewer tasks. Said, earned approximately €100, but it's very dry in my opinion, and a lot of tasks have recently broken for me. Another user called it legitimate but warned some projects feel scammy, pointing to frequent requests for passport or sensitive info. For the final verdict, Clickworker might work, people do get paid, tests are real, and many users regard it as an option for side income, but it's far from perfect. Because of low payouts, inconsistent task availability, and occasional complaints about verification or rejection of work, it's best to treat it as a supplemental gig, not a replacement for a steady job.